The temperature changes each time the device is turned off and on. The energy flowing through several tightly stacked layers of material will cause the equipment to warm up and then cool down rapidly. During the whole life cycle of the equipment, such repeated oscillations between temperatures are called thermal cycles. Thermal cycle is the process of moving equipment under cold and hot conditions, and it is one of the largest areas that cause electronic product failures. If thermal fatigue occurs, multiple systems in the equipment may be affected, resulting in warping, weak welding, fracture or cracking. If not mitigated, the overall product failure will eventually result. As electronic products are ubiquitous, the strain caused by thermal cycle will affect components in equipment in various industries, such as automobile, aerospace, biomedicine, manufacturing, and consumer goods. Wuxi Guangya high and low temperature testing system provides a wide temperature testing range from -85 degrees Celsius to 250 Celsius, with high temperature control accuracy and strong reliability. The product can monitor the real temperature of the IC to be measured in real time, realize closed-loop feedback, and adjust the gas temperature in real time. The temperature rise and fall speed is fast and the time is controllable. Programmed operation supports manual operation and remote control.